Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Sonali and I am a YouTuber. I post fashion, lifestyle and beauty related content and whatever जो भी मेरे दिमाग में आता है I post that. But today's vlog is very special to me because it's my birthday. It's the 21st of June. Right now it's 1 p.m. and I know I'm starting this vlog very late, but I was doing the outro of my other vlog, so sorry for that. But right now it's 1 p.m. and ज़्यादातर मेरा बर्थडे शाम को ही स्टार्ट होने वाला है, बट आई थॉट आई स्टार्ट दिस व्लॉग नाउ बिकॉज आई हैड टू शेयर समथिंग विद यू गाइज. फर्स्टली आई वांटेड टू टेल यू दैट इसके एक दिन पहले, लाइक 1 डे प्रायर टू माई बर्थडे विच इज़ 20th of June or 19th of June, I'm not sure, but my sister was packing my gifts, which I don't know what my gifts are, but she was packing my gifts, so I asked her to vlog that, so you guys go and watch how she packed my gifts. So
Hi guys, this is Sonali Sengupta's elder sister. As you can see, these are the birthday gifts which we have ordered for her online, and she doesn't know all this. These are the surprise birthday gifts which our parents and myself we have bought it, and now I am going to pack this all gifts, and so you can see the time lapse of this gift.
yeah, that was my sister packing my birthday gifts. I really don't know what is that. I'm thinking of unboxing them in this vlog, but then I'll make a separate haul for my gifts. But that is how my sister packed the gifts, and then I got a pre-birthday gift. Like my mother gifted me something which also I wanted to show you, so I'll just show you. Wait a second. So guys, this is my pre-birthday gift. I'm sorry, this is my pre-birthday gift, and you guys might be thinking that what is this. It's not the iPad was gifted to me way before, but the cover and the tempered glass is my pre-birthday gift. This is the cover that I asked her to get for me. I asked her that I really like this cover, and I didn't know that she was going to buy it for me, but she did. So she gifted me this pretty navy blue, royal blue sort of kind of color ka iPad cover, and she also gifted me this temper glass because my temper glass was shattered, you guys. It was totally shattered, so she gifted me both of these things, which I'm really thankful to her for, because this I am on my iPad 24/7. I edit on this, I do everything on this and my phone, so they are my like jams. So I'm really thankful to my mom for this. The quality of this is so good, you guys. If I could make you feel it, I will link all the prices down below and link the products down below, so make sure you check that, and also I'll mention the prices in the screen here or there somewhere. So I always wanted this cover and I'm really happy for it. It's such a pretty color and the quality is so good, so sturdy. So thanks to Amazon for that they sell such good products. I really love this. Also guys, I wanted to show you जो temper glass मेरा आया था. It came in this packaging. I ordered the Sedo, not me, my mother ordered the Sedo temper glass, and it came in this sponge के भीतर, like जो sponge आपको दिख रहा होगा इसके भीतर temper glass आया था. So I was like really impressed with the packaging because थोड़ा भी temper glass नहीं टूटा है. That is glass, of course, टूट सकता है. So I'm really happy with Amazon's packaging. So thumbs up for that. If you want to order a temper glass, then this might be helpful for you. So I'm really thankful to my mom for that. And that was the second update. The third update is that guys, मेरे घर पे डेकोरेशंस होने वाला था फॉर माई बर्थडे, एंड माई मदर थॉट ऑफ गिविंग मी सरप्राइजेस. सो दे थॉट ऑफ डेकोरेटिंग द हाउस एंड लाइक नॉट टेलिंग मी, बट एट द लास्ट मोमेंट एक हेल्प नहीं आया और उनको मुझे बताना पड़ा दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डेकोरेट, सो कैन यू प्लीज़ हेल्प अ लिटिल बिट. एंड आई वॉज रियली वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प देम, एंड आई ऑल्सो हेल्प देम put all the things together, and trust me guys, it's like so good. I chose some Pinterest aesthetics and then I pinned them, I kept them with me, I screenshotted them, and that is exactly how my sister put it together. I'm so happy that she like decorated the house so nicely. I really love it. So I also vlogged थोड़ा बहुत मैंने क्या लाया था और फिर मैंने कैसे सजाया, वो भी मैंने vlog किया था. So you guys go and watch that. Till that I am going to figure out what to do and then I'll meet you guys. So guys, first of all, welcome. So this is one day prior to my birthday. It's the 20th of June. It's right now it's 9:53 and I am prepping for my birthday decoration. So I went to this store called Gubbare. It's in Siliguri. So if you want any kind of birthday decorations, you can visit this store, a nice store. So I got all of my birthday decorations from this particular store, which is called Gubbare. So I'll show you the things that I got. Firstly, I got this birthday sash which says happy birthday princess. Actually my sister got all of this stuff, so she got me this sash which says happy birthday princess. Then my mother gifted me this pre-birthday small gift which says birthday girl. It's a hairband. It's really pretty rose gold color, so it's really nice. So the second item is this. Then my sister also got some curtains, foil curtains, which we will hang and decorate. So she got me 2 of these curtains. Also she got me the foil balloons which says 19 because I'm turning 19 this year. So this one foil balloon and then a 9 foil balloon which I asked her to get for me, so she got this. Then she also got a very beautiful red banner which says happy birthday. I'll show you once I've decorated. It says happy birthday and it's so pretty. It has glitter all over it, so she got me this. Then she also got me 25 pieces of loose balloons. These are silver and golden in color, so I really like this, and all the prices will be mentioned down below, so make sure you check the description box. And also she got me a pumper which looks like this to pump up the balloons. So yeah, this is the last thing. Also the balloon kind of looks like, wait, the balloon looks like this, the loose balloon looks like this, so it's very pretty. So now we'll go and decorate the stuff. So guys, this was a small haul of my birthday decorations. So we are figuring out the happy birthday banner situation and we have laid it out over here. My mom and Dee are helping me to put all of this together. So yeah, that was the update. So guys, I just came here to give you guys an update on what's happening. I look like a mess, but I'll just remove my makeup because I'm not feeling like to carry any more makeup right now, so I'll just remove my makeup. But I went up to my terrace and I took some pictures. I did not take any videos, but I took some pictures, so I'll attach them right over here so you go and see it. And I took some pictures. After that I came down and I will edit those pictures now because why not. एंड ऑल्सो माई मदर हैज़ प्रिपेयर्ड, लाइक हमारे कल्चर में क्या होता है ना कि आपका जो बच्चे का जन्मदिन हो उस दिन आपको 5 फ्राइड आइटम्स देना पड़ता है और जो भी उसका पसंद हो वो आपको देना पड़ता है. सो माई मदर हैज़ प्रिपेयर्ड लंच फॉर मी, डिलीशियस ट्रेडिशनल बंगाली लंच. सो या वी विल हैव दैट. सो आई विल मीट यू गाइज वंस आई हैव द लंच एंड शो यू व्हाट आई एम हैविंग इन माई लंच. So guys, right now I came to have my lunch and my lunch is right over here, but before that there are some rituals that we have to perform. It is in Bengali tradition, so we will perform that rituals, so see that. Guys, this is my widespread of lunch today. This is what we have to have traditionally. So we have 5 types of fried item. I'll show you. This is plain white rice, then we have cucumber. We have 5 fried items. This is I don't know, pumpkin fried. This is fish fried. This is paneer fried. This is bhindi fried, and this is potato fries. Then we have dal. We have aloo ki sabzi, which I really like. Then we have chicken, again one of my favorites. Then we have this sweet dish called kheer, payesh, we call it payesh. And then we have some sweet curd and a gulab jamun and a glass of water. That is how my magnificent lunch looks like. So guys, this is what the decoration looks like. It looks really pretty. Those are the foil curtains and the banners, and the balloons are over there. We also have some silver and golden balloons over here. That is the cake. I'll show you the cake in a minute. We have some gifts. This is silk celebration, some dry fruits which is given to me by mom, and then we have all the gifts over there. There are more gifts which I'll show you in a minute. was my birthday vlog. That was my birthday. I know I couldn't vlog much, I'm really sorry for that, but I was enjoying with my family, and that is something I want to cherish. So I'm sorry that I could vlog bits and stuff, but that was my birthday. It was a blast. My 19th birthday was a blast. I had a lot of fun. Everything I wished for was in front of me. I wished for a pinata cake. It was in front of me. I'm yet to open my gift, but I know they have done a lot for me, so I'm thankful to my sister and my mother and my father. They have really put the things I imagined in reality, because I said them everything I like. They were asking me in like chori chori chupke chupke, but yeah, I'm just like mesmerized. I can't talk right now, but yeah, they just put what I imagined into reality. They just fulfilled every dream of mine, every wish of mine, because everything I wished for on my 19th birthday did come true. So I'm really thankful to my family for that. And I had an amazing time with my family. I will go to have my dinner, which is KFC, so I'll meet you guys at that time. But I thought I'll show you some gifts, because all the gifts, I'll not open all the gifts right now because I have no energy left in me, but I'll open them tomorrow maybe, and I'll film a haul for it separately, so make sure you watch that. But I thought I'll show you some things that I got. So the first thing that my mother gave me is this dry fruit ka box. पूरा आमंड उस तरफ हो गया, but is this dry fruit का box, not like a box, it's like a basket, और सब गिर गया. But it has this cashew, then it has almonds, then it has raisins, and then it has walnuts. I don't consume dry fruits that much because of some reason, because I don't like it, but she really sweetly gifted. Pinterest पे ना मैं ऐसे dry fruits के वो pins देखते रहती थी, and they looked really aesthetic. So thanks to my mom for that. I really love this. I'm gonna have it late at night today. So yeah, and then my sister also gifted me this silk का इतना बड़ा packet. It's the Dairy Milk Silk Fruit and Nut. Retails for 175 rupees. It's really big, and I'm a big fan of chocolates. Like when I say I love chocolates, I do really love chocolates. I love them, but I stopped consuming it because I wanted to control the calories, but I really love chocolate, so she gifted me this, और मैं रोज एक एक करके खाऊंगी अब. Then I also got a celebrations का पैक, जो कि मेरी दीदी ने ही मुझे दिया. She also got me this celebrations का बड़ा वाला पैकेट, and it's for rupees 150. So that is something I got from my sister, and I really love all of these things. I'm yet to open the gift, so stay tuned for that. But now I think I'll change and go have something, because I'm starving and it's already 10. So I'll meet you guys once I eat something maybe. Yeah. Food from KFC. We ordered, this is our food. First of all, we ordered a tandoori zinger burger, then a normal zinger burger, and 2 rice bowls with chicken popcorn and a Pepsi. So that's gonna be our dinner for 4 of us, me, mom and dad. So yeah, I'll catch you once I have the dinner. So guys, I just had my dinner, and I thought I'll come in here and do the outro. So yeah, I'm here to do the outro. That was my birthday vlog, my 19th birthday vlog. I know you might not see a lot, but a lot of things had happened. I'm really overwhelmed, especially for my sister. I'm really thankful to her, because every single thing that I told her, she just brought everything into reality. And even my mom, both of them just made my 19th birthday. I did not think that my lockdown birthday will go so good, but right now you can see I'm already like teary eyed. So yeah, I'm really overwhelmed for everything. I'm really overwhelmed for everything. I told her that I want a pinata cake. I told her this aesthetic theme should be my birthday decoration at some point of time, and everything. She just brought everything into reality. She just brought each and everything into reality, and that is what made me feel so blessed. I was like, I'm so blessed that everything that I talked about came true. Like, when is that one time you wish for something and it comes true? So I'm really overwhelmed for that. I don't want to like exaggerate this video, because then I might cry. So I'll end this video right over here, but I'll just show you how many birthday gifts I got. it's a lot. I'm not in the state of opening it today, so I'll open it probably tomorrow and show it to you guys in the next vlog. But I just wanted to come in here and give you guys the outro. So yeah, with that we come to the end of today's vlog. Wait a minute. So yeah guys, with that we come to the end of today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more such exciting videos. So yeah, bye bye. I love you guys.